This World Health Day, as the world recovers and rebuilds from the pandemic, we have a choice. We can go back to the way things were, or we can change course. We can create societies, economies, and products that nurture health and well-being, and stop subsidizing those that destroy it. Because we cannot afford to pump carbon into the atmosphere at the same rate and still breathe clean air. We must choose. We cannot afford the same patterns of consumption and expect less diabetes, hypertension, heart disease, and cancer. We must choose. We cannot afford ever-deepening inequalities and expect continued prosperity. We must choose. And so this World Health Day, we call on all governments to choose our planet, our health. Our planet, our health.